Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Tom, and in this tutorial we are going to be creating a simple authentication application which I call Authlight, and it is a complete login registration and authentication application using Blazor WebAssembly and the JWT token. And what we'll start by having a demo of what we will create. Then after that, you can look for ways maybe you can adjust and check how best you can utilize this application. The interface will be using the admin LTE template, which is easier to try and help us have a good UI. So if you're excited, please subscribe and then let's get started. As you can see on my screen, this is the entire application that we'll be creating. So I'll launch it to just run a demo. Then from there, we will be able to proceed and create it from scratch end to end. And I hope that you'll be able to learn something and maybe apply it. Leave comments of that which you want us to do more on, and where you think we've done our best. Please do let us know, and we'll be glad to reach out and just have some kind of communication after that. So thank you. So to launch this application, we'll first run the web API. So I'll say debug, then start without debugging. So it's there. Then again, I'll run the client now. Start without debugging. Yeah, so it is Authlight. So now I need to get the user. I had created this user. If you check the user list, let's see here. So I have to log in here first. So let me get this token, and then I'll put it here. Authorize, close, and then I'll come here, execute. So I have this one user, you can see. So now I'll put this, and then I think the password is string. Yeah, so this is it. So you can see we have a dashboard which you can change to suit what you want. Then here at the administration, we have system users, and then we have roles. So the role that we have is admin. So you can create another role, let's say user, submit. Yes, and you can see we have beautiful interface with the support of Radson components. So Radson component is a free UI library that assists you to create some of these things, that the components that you see, the buttons, the notifications. We have even like the grid. The grid is very unique. You can see, you can search. There are so many search options that you can employ. And then we have the system user. So here you can create a user again. You can see again Radson at its work, giving you errors very nicely. Then you can choose the user if it is admin or user. And then of course, once you do that, you can do whatever you need to adjust. The core of this tutorial is to assist you in such a way that you just have like a template that you can plug into any other application that you may want to create, be it something to do with maybe a rental application or even a HR system or even something to do with any kind of application, because it borrows to the core of what you will need before you can have all other plugins of the application to come in. So this is it. So this is what we are going to build, and I hope you will be able to gain something from this. So thank you, and let's proceed and begin this implementation. Thank you.